Welcome back everybody, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create this cool colorful CRT effect. Once after I drag in my clip and cut it down, I'm going to head towards new, add my new adjustment layer, head towards the end of our clip. I'm going to separate our clip and trim it down to the size of our clip right here. The first effect I'm going to add is glow. I'm going to bring down the threshold to 43. Then I'm going to put the radius at 188. Next I'm gonna add is tint, drag it right there. Then I'm gonna add is noise. I'm gonna put the noise at 11. Then I'm gonna add is hue and saturation about right here. Let me click these down. I'm gonna head towards colorize. Then I'm head towards the beginning of our clip right here. Then I'm head towards color hue, and then I'm gonna click right here, put it at -280. I'm gonna click on our time watch, open up my timeline, head towards the end. And what I'm doing right here, you don't really gotta copy it, it's just gonna cycle through the colors, but you can, just get rid of it and mess around with the colors so you can have multiple different colors. But for this tutorial I'm just gonna have it cycle through the colors. Then I'm head towards colorize saturation, put it at 81. You know what, actually might bring it down a bit, it's too harsh. Right there's pretty good, around 41. Then I'm gonna head towards color lightness and put it at -34. Maybe increase it right there. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Then I'm gonna highlight my keyframes right here. Next I'm gonna add is CC vignette, and then I'm gonna go down to amount and then put it at 45, and then put our angle at 45 also. Next I'm gonna add is mosaic. I'm gonna put both of these settings at 50. Then I'm gonna add is Gaussian blur. So where's it at? It's right here. Drag it in. I'm gonna put the blurriness at 3. And for the next and final effect, I'm gonna add is grid. Before I show the final settings, in order to wrap up this whole effect, I just want to say make sure to subscribe, like, leave a comment. So I'm gonna head towards size from, put on width and height sliders, put our color on black. Gonna put the blending mode on hard light, and then I'm gonna bring down the opacity maybe around to 35. Then I'm just gonna drag down my width to 2, my height to 4, and yeah, that's all the effects you'll need in order to make a colorful CRT effect. And yeah, this should be your final product.